Welcome back. Last week we saw there were no eggs, only capped brood inside the remaining hive. So what we're gonna do is have a look. If there's no eggs at all left, that's gonna be it for the year. If there are eggs, I'm gonna begin some preparations for winter. Let's have a look, shall we? That's all syrup. And it looks very similar to last time. That's beautiful. All syrup and nectar. The goldenrod's about done over here. Alright, the top. The top is all syrup. So there's no eggs at all in there. So let's have a look at the bottom chamber. We've just hit the brood nest and it's completely empty. I'm gonna check the rest, but it looks like we're done for the year, unfortunately. Alright, I have just completed the inspection of the hive and I have confirmed that there's no eggs left. So what I'll do is shake the bees and start over next year. Now, it's not a complete loss even though I lost all my bees. The comb is all there. It's all reusable. So next year, when I start again, they're gonna have all these reserves for them. So, it's not the ideal end, but it's gonna be good for the bees next year. Since my first year of beekeeping is over, I thought I might want to do a little recap of what I actually accomplished compared to the goals I set. When I first started, the goals I set were preparing the bees for winter. Obviously I did not succeed at that. I kept getting plagued with missing queens, and by the time fall came, no queens were left. I wanted to start practicing queen rearing. This was a partial success. One hive did manage to create a new queen, the green one, but it was not under the method I wanted to try. So, partial success there. Thirdly, I wanted to share everything with you guys. Hopefully you learned from my successes and my mistakes, and any feedback would be really appreciated. And lastly, I wanted to learn when the flows were, which was not a very difficult thing to learn. It's pretty much all summer long here, except maybe in early June where there might be a lack of rain. So all in all, we have nectar all year round, all the way up to early October. So that's not a big issue for the future, and now I know. Hopefully you all learned something from my first year. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you around next year. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next spring, and please like and subscribe.